person, Ivan Mayrina.
Mr. President, sir, may we get your thoughts after your inspection this morning?
Statement lang muna din, sir.
Okay. No, just a simple assessment lang. The reason I did this was to really inspect because I wanted to see what the situation was, and I was right. It's really different reading the piece of paper than actually seeing it and seeing what people have to go through. So, Valenzuela has the usual problem. Talagang basin yan lagi napabaha ang Valenzuela. But marami na silang flood control, pero nasa pawan itong sa dami ng tubig. So we have to relook, we have to re-examine some of the designs of our flood control. Dahil for example, this was not the amount of water was not as bad as Undoy. But the effect was greater than Undoy. Mas malaki ang baha. Mas maraming nabaha na lugar kaysa panahon ng Undoy. Mas marami tayong flood control ngayon kaysa noon. Pero climate change, this is what the effects of climate change are. Now, what we have seen is that one of the most important parts that nagka-problema was that navigation gate that we went to na nasira because binangga ng isang barko basta hindi sumunod sa instructions, sinira niya. That is why Botas is still 80% underwater. Malabon the same, Valenzuela also. So we have to really look into that sort of thing. Yung pumping stations natin marami na. Yun, nagka-problema lang, sana matuto naman ng tao, huwag kayong nagtatapon ng basura dahil yung basura yun ang nagbara doon sa mga pump natin. Kaya hindi kasing effective na pwede. Lagi na bonus yung 81. In Valenzuela, I think they have 32. So marami na yung pumping station. Pero talaga, you have to put it somewhere. So yesterday, 12 o'clock was high tide. At 12 o'clock noon, nag-high tide. Nagsabay-sabay, malakas ang ulan, tapos nag-high tide. So at least now I'm very clear about what the situation is. I will be going to inspect all the other areas when when we can travel and to see what else is needed in the other parts of the country that suffered flooding. Now, when I get back to the office, I will be putting together, now that I know what the situation is, where the areas are that need the most. We'll be putting together already the release packages for the LGUs. Because here in NCR, not only NCR, in Region 3, in Calabarzon, NCR, marami nang tumawag sa akin kanina umaga pa. So we'll put that all together so that we can go to DBM and tell them to release this already para magamit na ng our mga local officials. Alright? Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.